Hello, this is Jose Cruz, your host. Today I'm going to show you how Formus CMP achieves device type independence. Formus CMP, one of the powerful functionalities it provides is serving source code to be displayed on different device types. These different device types can be HTML, iOS, Android, or Windows specific applications or Linux. How do we achieve that inside Formus CMP? It is easy. We basically use templates. These templates obey the different device types we need. In this case, Formus CMP serves four different types of source code. These are iOS, Android, HTML, and Windows or Linux. So I'm going to show you and explain you how we do it. In front, we have on the top window, we have the source code to be able to create a drop-down list. These for HTML-based applications. On the bottom, we have the same drop-down list, but with the template to create it for applications, Windows-based applications or Linux. So basically, by changing the template, the Formus CMP platform is being able to serve different contents. And how do we get different contents? Is only by changing a single parameter on the API call, which is the format type. We are currently calling for the HTML, and I'm gonna call it. Okay, so now here we have the source code. If we want to call get source code for iOS, we only change this to iOS. If we want to call it for Android, we put Android. And if we want for Windows or Linux-based applications, we use BXML. That's how we achieve serving different type of source code based on the target device type operating system. As you can see, this is very easy. Now, you might wonder how Formus CMP is able to execute everything to change the generation of different source code. It is very easy by you creating a single form for web-enabled applications. We only need to create the same components that you are using on your web-enabled application and create the template with the source code to be able to display that on the different device types. So with that said, we are finished explaining this video. Coming up, I will show you how we create different components. Aside of creating components based on the target device type, we can also create different components such as text box, drop downs, checkboxes, radio buttons, and different types. Also, we can also create different types of buttons such as links or buttons that execute JavaScript code or do a submit of the form. That's coming up on my next video around components. This is the first one for component creation for different device types. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you here for the next video. Bye bye.